Hi, it's the Rawesome Vegan Gal here, and today I'm doing another video for a brand called Cleveland Kitchen. This is part number 3. This is their kraut. It's their beet red kraut. This is what the package looks like, in case you've never seen it. And I will have a link below to their website so you can check out all that they offer. So just to tell you a little bit about the product before I go ahead and try it and give you some ideas of how to use it. So it is gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO project verified. It is also OU kosher. It says it also always refrigerate and keep it upright. It's a 16-ounce pouch. It's a BPA-free pouch. It says it's crunchy and delicious. It's also raw and probiotic. It contains does not contain preservatives. It's fermented, and the company, they started in the farmers market in the Midwest. And this has red cabbage, red beets, carrots, and kosher salt. It also said best enjoyed within 60 days of opening. And it is actively still fermenting. And the bag is equipped with an off-gassing vent. It's natural for the bag to puff up. Don't be alarmed if it does. And the little vent, you could see it from the inside, but there's like kind of small little holes on the outside. But the little vent is actually placed on the inside of the package, so you can look at that if you open it up. And let's see what else to tell you here. Nutritional information: 16 servings per container. 1 ounce is a serving. It's got just 10 calories. It doesn't, not a lot. It's higher in sodium because they do use salt because it's fermented. You can actually make sauerkraut without salt, and I actually have a video with a red cabbage, if you look on my channel, for red cabbage kraut without salt, and I take you through how to do it. So just so you know, if you're interested in looking at that. Also potassium 2%, that's about it. What else to tell you? So they mentioned here about some ideas to use it with salads and burgers and tacos and everything like that. Those are some ideas. And also, because it's red cabbage and red beets, those are also high antioxidant foods, which are very good. And also carrots is good in beta carotene. But everything has actually turned red from the beets, if you could see the color inside here. So you're not going to be able to see the carrots in its orange color because it's already, the red, it kind of dyes everything naturally. And so some ideas, I'm just going to try it for the video, but some ideas you can use, and I'll mention below, like some of the products I would say to use. You can do it with a tortilla. There's a brand called Food for Life, and you can look them up, and you can put it on one of their tortillas, and you could put like a spread on it with this and with avocado and maybe beans or something like that. Or you can put it on a corn thin. It's kind of like a rice cake, but it's thinner. It's made from corn, and that's from Real Foods. Again, I'll mention that below the video of some ideas. And then also you could put it on a Flax cracker as a little like hors d'oeuvre snack. There's a few brands that I've tried. There's Flackers, there's Foods Alive, and I've done videos for them as well. So I'll just put that down below. And then again, you can put other things on the wrap or the cracker. You could do it, in lettuce, like a lettuce wrap. And so there's many different things you can use. And I'm using this spoon. It's a darker spoon. I'm not sure if it's wooden or coconut. I forget. It's from a company that I got some of their product online from. It's called Coconut Bowls. And I also did a video for them as well. So I'm just going to put some in this little cup here. And kind of here's a spoonful. And you could see the carrots they do in like little thin shreds. And again, everything is turned purple from the beets. So I think that's what the carrot is. I might be wrong. I might be seeing the carrot elsewhere, but I could be wrong. But I'm gathering that that's the carrot. That's from what I'm understanding. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. Let you know what I think. Definitely tastes like it's fermented. Tasty. Or you can just have this on your plate with your meal too. Or put it on top of rice or quinoa. Like if you're having a plain rice or something, you can put this on top first. It gets the flavor, and it's salty, so it already adds to it. So yeah, it's nice. I like fermented food, so I will enjoy it as well. So again, this is the Cleveland kraut from Cleveland Kitchen. It's their beet red variety, and I hope you will check them out. And I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.